Goodness gracious, that took fucking forever. Right. Hello. So yeah, yesterday's session, just to show you, yeah, look at that doji. Looks like today might potentially be bearish again. That is bearish engulfing. This was yesterday's candle. I only trade the EURUSD. It looks like all Bitcoin and crypto's having a bit of a bounce at the moment, but we'll see because tomorrow we've got the tariffs. So don't believe anything really today. Anyway, so yesterday, yeah, not great. I mean, 70, bloody hell, like 20 pip volume. Scary, even. Shouldn't really be trading. Well, ideally, I wish I'd stayed out. But anyway, so I identified we had bearish strength. But I did make a couple of errors early on. So you can see this, can't you? So, oh yeah. So obviously what I'm thinking here is that we're filling this fair value gap and I'm buying the reversal. But yeah, that is something that I'm really working on, is not just to buy a reversal. Like if it had confirmed and pulled up, you know, like, I don't know, like that, maybe you could buy that. Yeah, exactly that, actually. Could maybe buy that. But again, we'll get to that. But instead, you know, I imagined this potential hammer, kind of a hammer in the fair value gap. So I get it. You know what? It's not a terrible trade, if I'm honest. I mean, losers are all part of the game. So I'm not completely mad at it. This, then we come down lower, we pull up into that gap, sell it again. Again, not completely mad, but didn't need to be so eager. So if I just waited to see that it came up, I remember I was waiting to come in here as well, and it pulled up, and then I knew, oh, okay, like once we were here and this happened, it's like, whoa, let's wait until we get up to this potential falling resistance, which is what I did. Obviously, beautiful fucking wick shooting star off of exactly like this line I had in, and then I had that. That's like, bosh, I was in, and took a while, but we definitely got there. You know, I thought it'd reverse here when really I wasn't trading the bigger picture. So anyway, that second one, I understand my logic, but you don't sell at support, and that effectively is where the area that we're in. You sell at resistance, right? Which I got right there. But I know what I'm thinking. I'm thinking, oh, this is just going to trend, but it just wasn't a good entry. Didn't need to be so eager. You know, it wasn't even a great candle. Yeah. No, that was poor trading. I understand this one. I'll forgive myself for this one. That was poor trading. Probably like just a little bit too quick, you know. But then anyway, had a better plan, waited for the pullback, got a lovely candle. Bosh. Took a while because obviously you see we came here. I thought about closing out there. But like, yeah, I did think potentially it had reversed, but I stuck to my guns. Bosh, went through, got it, and ended up, so went down 1%, down another percent. Obviously it's a 1.07 and whatever, but then made it back to 0.5% effectively. You know, and that's life, that's trading. Just, yeah, just have that plan. Wait. Anyway, I won't bang on. Yeah, just a solid trading day. I stuck to my rules. Bit of a technical faux pas, but you've got to expect these things, because if you start throwing the toys out the pram, that's when it all goes fucking tits up. And if you can't read all the writing, that just says didn't need to be so eager, and don't sell at support. Next trade rules. Don't sell at support. Next trade rules. Yeah, whatever, that next trade rules. Anyway, if anyone does watch this, please comment or send me a message, because I would love to connect. All right, cheers.